There's a cage next to a tree, and there's an animal in the cage. What's that? Asks Rosie.
It's a baby orangutan,
says Grandpa. He's angry.
Some people take animals from the rainforest. They can sell young orangutans.
Grandpa opens the cage. Soon the orangutan is in Alice's arms. Don't be scared, she says. He wants his mother, says Rosie.
Baby orangutans live with their mothers for years,
says Grandpa. Two men walk out of the trees.
That's our orangutan,
shouts the tall man.
Give him to us.
No, says Alice. You can't take him out of the rainforest. It's his home. The men are angry.
We want that orangutan, and you can't stop us,
shouts one man. The two men run at Grandpa and the girls. Then a big durian falls from the tree. It hits the ground close to the men.
What's that?
Shouts the tall man.
I can smell it,
says his friend.
It smells very bad.
Then 2, 3, 4, a lot of durians hit the ground.
Run!
Shouts the tall man. In the tree, Ben has a durian in his hand.
We can stop now,
he says to Clunk. But what about the baby orangutan? Asks Alice. Rosie points and says, Look, the mother orangutan is there. The big orangutan is angry.
She wants her baby,
says Grandpa. Rosie is scared. What can we do? She asks. Alice knows. She puts the baby orangutan on the ground. Here, she says to the big orangutan. With her long arms, the mother takes her baby. The orangutan climbs up a tree with her baby. They're happy now, says Alice. Ben and Clunk climb down from the tree.
Here's your fruit, Grandpa,
says Ben. Grandpa opens the fruit. Rosie puts her hand on her nose. I can smell it, she says.
I love durians, says Grandpa, but they smell very bad.